Nasarga Mukha Bhastrika. Nasarga Mukha Bhastrika is a forceful expulsion of the breath through the mouth that can accompany different movements to relieve our pent-up stress. Take up a comfortable standing position and then start to shake your hands as vigorously as possible to loosen up the accumulated tensions of your daily life. Visualize all the tensions that have accumulated in your wrists and elbow joints, getting a good shake-up by this action. When you have got the tensions loosened up, take in a deep breath through your nose and clench your fist as if catching hold of all your tensions and stress. Now with a powerful blast through your mouth, whoosh away all your accumulated tensions and stress as forcibly as possible. Again, shake your hands as fast as possible. Breathe in and catch hold of the tension in your fist. Throw it all away with a blast. Make sure that you are using your diaphragm muscle vigorously while blasting out breath in this practice. Perform this practice 3, 6 or 9 times as necessary. After performing 3 to 9 rounds of this practice, relax in the standing position and enjoy the feeling of relief that sweeps through your arms as you relax with some deep breathing. Tala Asana. Take up a comfortable and stable Samasthiti Asana. Breathe in and lift both arms up over your head until they are parallel to each other. Let the palms of both hands face inward and then go up onto your toes and stretch up as high as possible. Hold the breath and feel the healthy stretch along your whole body from toes to fingertips. Breathe out and relax your arms back to your sides while coming back to the flat foot posture. Repeat the practice 2 more times at each session for maximum benefit. The term Tala refers to a palmyra tree, and you should try to stretch yourself as tall as that tree while performing this practice. With practice, the posture can be held for a longer time and normal breathing done while holding the posture for 30 to 45 seconds. When ready, slowly come back to the Samasthiti Asana and relax with a few rounds of deep breathing. Hastha Kona Kriya. Stand in Samasthiti Asana with your arms by your sides. Slowly breathe in and lift your right arm over your head. Try to extend the arm over your head towards the left as far as possible without bending it. This gives a good stretch to the entire right side of the body. Slowly start to breathe out and lower your arms back to the side. Perform the practice on the opposite side by lifting your left arm over your head while breathing in. Extend it as far towards the right as possible without bending it. Feel the excellent stretch on the entire left side of your body. Lower your arm back to your side while breathing out. Repeat the practice a few more times for maximum benefit. Hastha Kona Kriya helps to stretch the musculature of the arms, shoulders and paraspinal area in a way not done in our day-to-day lives. This helps trigger the relaxation response in these tissues that are normally tense due to disuse, misuse and abuse. A sense of profound relaxation is obtained after the sincere and regular practice of this activity, that is also known as the Ardha Kati Chakrasana, as it provides a half stretch to the hip region. Trikona Asana. Stand in Samastiti Asana. Place your feet 2 to 3 feet apart and stretch the arms to the sides so that they are pulling the chest in opposite directions. Turn to the right side and slowly bring the right hand down to the right foot and place the palm of the right hand on the ground in front of the right foot. Look up at the middle finger of the left hand. Let the entire torso get a good twist and stretch. Hold the position for 30 seconds while performing deep breathing. Release and come back up to the open arm position. And then do the opposite side by placing your left hand down in front of the left foot. Hold the position for 30 seconds while performing deep breathing. When ready, slowly come back up to the Samastiti Asana and relax with a few rounds of deep breathing. Parshava Kona Asana. Stand in Samastiti Asana. Place your feet 3 feet apart and stretch your arms to the sides. Turn to the right and bend your right knee. Bring your right hand down to the right foot and place the palm on the ground in front of the foot. Look up at the middle finger of the left hand. Let the entire torso get a good twist and stretch. Stretch your left arm over the head and continue to look at the middle finger of the left hand. Hold the position for 10 to 30 seconds while performing deep breathing. Release and come back up to the wide arm position in the same manner as you have gone into the posture. Repeat on the opposite side by taking your left hand down in front of the left foot and then stretching your right arm over your head. Hold the posture for 10 to 30 seconds with relaxed breathing. Come back to the Samastiti Asana step by step and then relax with a few rounds of deep breathing. Hamsa Mudra. Hamsa Mudra, the swan gesture, may be considered the reverse of Namaskar Mudra, that is done palms together in front of the chest. Take your hands behind your back and place them together with your palms touching. This resembles the wings of a swan or a hamsa. Hamsa Mudra opens the chest and is a wonderful exercise for the joints of the shoulders, elbows, and wrists. When ready, bring your hands back to Namaskar Mudra, the gesture of greeting, and then lower them back to your sides.